Okay, so what we've got here is the deadlocks by database. And with this, it's showing that Big Stuff database, which just happens to be a test database on our server, has had 161 deadlocks. The deadlock test DB has had 6, and the query train February has had 5. I think those 5 were you this morning, Mitch, weren't they?
They were.
Doing some work there. But with this, what's cool about it is you can double click on the database name down below and jump directly to that database. So when we jump to that database, this gives us the deadlock history for just this one database. It's very similar to the overall server one, but it's giving it you just for that one database so that you can go and track it down. And there's similar queries to what we were looking at just a minute ago on the Deadlock Advisor. From here, why don't we take a look? You hit the back button. That gives me the opportunity to point out our related links up top where we have other reports that are related. So
right.
We haven't clicked on the deadlocks by hour. Why don't we use that related link to go there? And, oh, we're going to have to show more because this deadlock work was all done a week or so ago. And you can see that on Sunday, February 16th and Monday, February 17th, there were a lot of deadlocks going on here. And we can then take those dates and times and correlate them to the normal deadlocking history. And what's useful with this is we're going to be able to use this over time in order to be able to see how are we improving or how are we getting worse on the deadlocks.